Hey there, hiking friends, it's Kelly again. Today is Sunday, August 8th, 2021, and I'm checking in from Montana de Oro, Los Osos, California, once again, and I'm here on a mission. Today's mission is to complete a hike that I tried last year and I failed. I don't like to fail. I'm going to be trying the Islay Creek loop to Hazard Peak. Last year, I tried this hike on a bad day. There was a freak thunderstorm that happened right as I was coming over the hill. And I believe it was the same day that a lightning struck in Cayucos. Anyway, I started up Hazard Peak with the intention of doing the whole Islay Creek loop. And it was so hot and humid, they ended up using most of my water on the way up to the top just to stay cool. By the time I got to the top, I was almost out of water and I was worried that I was gonna run out on the backside of the loop. So I went back down. Today, I'm gonna try the hike again. So without further ado, let's check it out. So going this way, at least a mile or two of this trail is pretty flat. It's basically a service road that goes up the canyon right along Islay Creek here. Okay, I'm about 45 minutes and 2 miles into the hike. It's been pretty flat so far. This has just been kind of up a little bit, flat, up a little bit, flat. Just went up a little bit and it's flat again. So we'll see when this thing starts to really get steep. Okay, so I'm 3.1 miles into the trail, 1 mile into the hike, and according to the map, I'm supposed to turn left here onto the Barranca trail. All right, so I'm 4 miles into the hike, a little over an hour in, about an hour and 15 or so, almost halfway done. I'm snaking my way up the Barranca trail to the backside of Hazard Peak. I'm gonna stop up there, take in the view, take some pictures, take a rest. Anyway, onward and upward. All right, I'm at the top of the Barranca trail and they put this nice little picnic table up here. Would have been nice if it was right there in the shade. If I was feeling up to it, I could probably move it, but nah, it'll be okay. Anyway, I'm assuming that's the top of Hazard Peak right over there. So I just gotta go up and down a few ways to get back over there. I'm almost there. So I'm about just a little less than halfway through the hike. I just passed the 4 mile mark, just a few hundred yards back that way. But check out the view. Hazard Peak Trail, East Boundary. Okay, I remember this. Yeah, I've done the Manzanita. Again, it's another nice little mountain bike trail. That's right, the last time I did Hazard Peak a few months ago, I went down that way. Fuck, dude, I almost got ran over by a cyclist. The fucker didn't have a bell on. You ride up here on a mountain bike, you're supposed to have a bell on your bike. They provide them for free. Damn it, that son of a bitch. Ugh. And here we are at the top of Hazard Peak. Holy shit. Now that was a hike. Whew. The fog is slowly making its way up the mountain here, eating more and more of the view down to the water. Anyway, I need a rest. I still got another 3 miles just to get down to the bottom. Let's get down. Making my way into this little small patch of eucalyptus forest that I've passed through many times before, going up and down this trail. So I'm guessing I'm about half a mile or so from the bottom. Really close, home stretch. Now, if my memory serves me correct, I should be coming up on this one oddball lone pine tree on the trail that just looks really out of place, and somebody must have planted it here a while back. I knew it. There's this big ass pine tree just sitting here. It's like somebody must have planted that, and from the looks of it, it was probably about 20 or 30 years ago. That thing's pretty fucking big. And then there's a few younger ones here. These are the bells that they provide for cyclists at the bottom of the trails. That jackass that almost hit me at the top of the hill didn't have one, and it makes a big difference. So I just completed the loop, and now I'm just walking a little ways down the road here back to my car. And back to the car. Okay, so I did 9.7 miles total, 1,611 feet of elevation gain, 2 hours and 54 minutes of moving time, average pace about 18 minutes a mile, burned 1,900 calories, and the total trip was 3 hours and 44 minutes. Not bad. Anyway, that's it. What a day. Pretty nice hike. I just wish it was a little clearer by the time I got to the top of Hazard Peak, so I could have got a really nice view looking all the way down to the water. But by the time I got up there, the fog was rolling in and there wasn't much to see to the west. But the view to the north and to the east was really nice. So anyway, that's it. This is Kelly signing off from Montana de Oro, Los Osos, California. And remember, as always, keep hiking.